Morning, everyone. This is Dr. Demetrios, Kydonieus, chiropractic nutritionist. I just wanted to share real quickly. Read an awesome article just published in the research literature on an herb called Gymnema sylvestre. Traditionally, it's a blood sugar maintenance herb. This is one of the many studies, but a newer one on MediHerb's preparation sold through standard process that high-dose Gymnema basically helps maintain normal blood sugar. So think about that if you're diabetic and you're managing your blood sugar with metformin, or even if you're taking injectable insulin, might be something you want to work with your functional medicine doctor, your holistic practitioner doctor like me, and see if you can get off those hardcore drugs and use something more natural. And of course, this does not replace paying attention to your diet and not eating sugar or starchy carbs. So Dr. D giving you a quick nutrition update. Have a good day.